Okay, let's get it started. Okay, so first I'm gonna start this all around fade, and I'm gonna do the fade up pretty high because, yeah, I'm just gonna do it high. So I'm gonna start the ball guideline like in the middle of the fade. Make sure everything ball with my Slimline Pros, a real light clipper. I like balding out with this clipper because it's so light, but it's powerful. So I'm gonna show y'all me balding, balding all around, getting everything smooth. Okay, now I'm gonna take my 1.5 guard. Y'all see I got my new cordless magic clips. Okay, but I'm gonna take my 1.5 guard and I'm gonna go down from the top of the fade. I'm gonna just go down, smoothing everything out. I'm gonna close it up just to close it a little more. Test it out, see how it was open. It didn't cut low enough. Then later on in the video, I'm gonna go down with a 1 guard, just smoothing it out even more, but y'all will see that. Okay, now I'm gonna take my 1.5 guard and I'm gonna go up all the way and flick out when I get to the top. So not all the way, but go up really just to smooth everything out. And then I'm gonna close my guard. I'm gonna close my lever and make it even lower, smoothing it out even more. Okay, now I'm gonna brush the hair back down. You see it's smooth. Now I'm gonna take my magic clips, open up the lever, and go up about 1 inch. Maybe 1.5 inches in the back. Not really sure. But go up about give yourself a good amount of room to fade. Now I'm gonna go halfway and I'm gonna attack that bottom line. You don't really have to do too much of a flick out motion because I kind of go halfway into this guideline. So I really just fade, really not really too much flicking out. Now I'm gonna close up my lever all the way and I'm gonna flick out at that bottom line. And it's not gonna knock it out all the way, so I'm gonna go back over it with my slim lines later on. Now I'm gonna take my Slimline Pros and I'm gonna really just use my corners and detail this bottom guideline a little bit more. You wanna make sure you detail this. It's really important. Okay, now I'm gonna take my one guard and I'm gonna go down on it just to smoothen things out a little bit more. Okay, now I'm gonna take my one guard, and I'm gonna go up about an inch, really just attacking this bottom line, and then I'm gonna go halfway, and then I'm gonna go fully closed, and you're gonna see everything come together. Okay, now I'm gonna take my Fade Masters, and because it have a longer teeth, I'm gonna use my corners and I'm gonna go in this fade just to finish it out. The Fade Masters really give it a smooth finish, in my opinion. My favorite cleanup clipper. Okay, now I'm gonna take my 1.5 guard and I'm gonna go down on his hairline, just because the lower the hairline is, the sharper it'll cut, because there won't be as much hangover hairs. So just keep that in mind. And then right now I'm using my Got To Be glue, the best spritz out there. Okay, now I'm gonna use my card and I'm gonna use my topic and I'm gonna just enhance the hairline. Y'all see I'm enhancing exactly where the hairline is, not coming up with a fake hairline, not covering up mistakes, just enhancing the hairline. And now I'm just gonna brush off the excess topic I don't need. You wanna make sure you clean up in detail. Right here, I'm gonna use my tan pencil. It really makes the hairline pop that much more. It gives that much of a sharp look. So really one of my favorite enhancing techniques. Right here, you want to make sure you stretch the skin and make sure you don't be too heavy-handed, and just get that hairline a little bit, that much more sharper, just by detailing. I like the exposed blade. Y'all see I got the blade more exposed. It seemed like I could detail more like that, so. So y'all see, this the final cut, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't really gotta do too much talking. Y'all see it. Blurry, faded. You know what I'm saying? Class is coming soon. Make sure y'all be ready, man. Subscribe to my YouTube. Comment, leave a like, all that if y'all want more content.